Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Ravi Goyal along with my teammates Harshit Rana and Rajat Kesarwani. We are pursuing our BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from ABES Institute of Technology. Today we are going to present our presentation on our final year project entitled Sketch to Chart. These are the content we are going to cover today. Introduction, our objective, followed by the proposed solution with the workflow, facilities required for our proposed work, and in the end, working of the project. Introduction. With the rise of development in the industries, the companies are working to solve real world problems with a very efficient manner. Most companies are working in the domain of deep learning and machine learning to solve the problem very efficiently as well as provide better output. These companies are also working in the domain of turning a design into some output. This is kind of famous these days. For example, turning digital drawing into application code or augmenting drawings to add interaction and converting high fidelity screenshot into mobile apps. So in this era of converting some hand-drawn patterns or sketches into some digital output, we introduce our approach Sketch to Chart, a new approach to alter graph from real world to digital world. Our objective is to design an application that will help in the field where hand-drawn sketches are being converted into some code or artifacts, as well as the user who don't know how to use the tools to create a chart. Our application will allow the user to draw a chart on the pen and paper and feed it into our application, and hence they can obtain the code of the following chart which they can fit in the HTML page, as well as obtain a digital image which will be downloadable. So our application have considerable benefits. For like faster iteration, a sketch can move to a digital world image, and accessibility allow anyone to create a digital image of the graph. Furthermore, we have identified the deep learning method may applicable to this task, as deep learning tend to perform much better and have a better success rate over classical techniques when applied to other domains, particularly in visual problem. We hypothesize that a novel application of deep learning method to this task may increase performance over classical computer vision technique. These tasks involve major challenges: building both a deep learning and classical computer vision approach which can adjust the layer to fix the human error from sketching, translate detected element into digital image, display the result to the user in an easy manner, building a dataset of different graph sketches, which is bar and pie chart, empirically evaluating the performance. Let's move on to proposed solution. In order to achieve this goal, we assemble the network of convolutional neural network for classifying, recognizing and localizing tasks that consist of CNNs. At the very first layer, we train a CNN to classify the type of the sketch into two broad divisions, which are pie chart and bar chart. After these, output of first layer will be served as the base of deciding the next classifier, which will segment away the numerical data from the pictorial data. The processing of input image is done to change the RGB image into black and white image so as to reduce the size of the filter of the CNN, and hence thereby reducing the number of parameters that need to be estimated while training the CNN without compromising the accuracy. Now the second layer. Second layer of the classifier will be fed with black and white images input. This layer is a trained CNN that localizes the area of the numerical data and segment it from the rest of the image. This layer is being trained for specific type of sketch image, and that is being recognized by the first layer of classifier. Then the last layer of our classifier will be independent from the type of sketch and only responsible for recognizing the numerical data in the pictorial and geometrical data obtained from the second CNN. This layer will also be a CNN capable of recognizing handwritten, wavy as well as computer generated numerical data, thus giving the output number that will be further used to computationally create read-drawable and organizable pictorial data from the information obtained from physical world, and hence acting as an interface between physical world and digital world. The output obtained from our first classifier and the third CNN will be fed to the D3 API, which is responsible for providing us the digital image of the graph by taking the input, as well as provide us the HTML script which can be fit it into the HTML page to display the chart online on any web pages. So this is the workflow of our project. As hand-drawn input data is being fed to the first CNN, and the first CNN classify the image as a pie chart. The same image is being fed to the second CNN, which localizes the parameters, that is pictorial data in the image, and that is again fed to the third CNN, which extract the data from the localized boxes from second CNN and convert those handwritten pattern into numerical digital digits. Now the output obtained from first CNN and the third CNN is fed to the D3 API that will provide us the D3 pie chart that can be downloadable as well as fit into the HTML page. Facilities required for our proposed work. For the system, neural network architecture, Deep CNN, as Deep CNN is tend to perform much better than computer vision techniques in the vision problems. Deep learning framework like TensorFlow and Keras, as they provide vast libraries to perform various tasks very efficiently. Programming language Python, as it makes it easier to code the machine learning backend as well as API backend. Image processing libraries, OpenCV for image processing and Tesseract OCR for extracting text from the image. For the backend, we are using Flask REST framework for making our whole backend server. Now let's just jump on the working of the project. Let's start our backend server to test our application with a simple command python app.py. It will host our website or web application on the local host. So this is our sketch-to-chart web application where there is an input image tag and two other tabs for describing the type of bar chart or pie chart and the digital image of it. So here we input our image of pie chart, and then we will generate the code and the image of it. It will take a few seconds to run to our backend server and provide us the output. So here the chart type is the pie chart, and D3 provides us the image of the chart as well as the code which can be fit in the HTML page as well as a script. So this script also contains the above data which were present in the pie chart. So let's just take another input of a pie chart, of a different pie chart. So this is also a hand-drawn pie chart on a different paper, and let's just generate the code and image of it. So it is also a pie chart, and this is our D3 output as well as the code which can be fit in the HTML as well. So this is the data which is present in the above hand-drawn pie chart. Let's take another example. So first CNN is working to classify the type of the bar chart. Second CNN is making and localizing the boxes where the parameters can be found. And third CNN is extracting the parameters. And D3 is just generating the code as well as the image of the following hand-drawn sketch. And this is the data present in the pie chart. Now let's take the example of a bar chart. So in the bar chart, we provided range as well as scale. So our model predicted as a bar chart, and also D3 generated the code of the image as well as the digital image of the bar chart, which is in black color. We can also customize the color of the outputted chart, but this is just an general image provided by the D3. So let's just take another example here. Yeah, so this is also a bar chart, and this is the following code and the downloadable image. So this code can be easily fit in the HTML page, and it will show the image exactly same as the one displayed in the chart image box. The whole API code is written in Python, and the front-end code is written in HTML and Bootstrap. So this is our third example. So it is also a bar chart and the corresponding image as well as the code. So code containing the data of the graph as well as the segmenting, like the spacing and creating the axes as well as the maintaining the gap between the bars. In conclusion, we discussed about our objective, in which we introduce sketch to chart approach to alter the graph. Then we discuss about our proposed solution, in which we assemble 3 CNN in series which run through to classify the bar chart as well as extract the parameter from the chart and fed it into the D3. Then we discuss our workflow of the whole project. Then the facilities required, which were totally based on the Python language, like Tesseract OCR, Flask, Deep CNN, etc. Then we see the live working of the project, in which we shown some example related to pie chart and bar chart, which were hand drawn by us, and we were getting the output in the form of code as well as the image, which can be downloadable as well. So thank you for hearing to us. Hope you all like our presentation.